क्या मैं इसको कॉफी बना के पी लूँ? Oops. It's Friday! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michu and in today's video I'm going to do a home spa session in which I'm going to show you all what all products I use for my body care routine, and I'm going to show you all my body care routine. So honestly, I'm a kind of a person who never goes out for any kind of treatment, body spa. I only prefer body care routines at home. I've been doing this for a couple of years now. So if you're someone who is missing spa badly, this video is for you. You're going to enjoy this video. Okay, so before getting into the steps, I'm going to quickly show you all what are products I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the M Caffeine's body polishing kit, in which we have Naked and Raw body polishing oil, Naked and Raw body scrub, एंड नेकेड एंड रॉ कॉफ़ी बॉडी लोशन. ना ऑनेस्टली कॉफ़ी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मैं बचपन से यूज़ कर रही हूँ अपनी बॉडी के लिए. तो पहले तो मैं DIY वगैरह करती थी, किचन से खुद ही कॉफ़ी लेती थी और बहुत जुगाड़ करती थी, लेकिन वो बहुत फेल्ड रहता था, बहुत क्लमजी होता था और बहुत कॉफ़ी भी वेस्ट होती थी और मम्मी की डांट पड़ती थी, अलग वो अलग बात है. बट जैसे मैंने एम कैफीन का ये रेंज डिस्कवर किया, आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट्स रिलीजियसली और मैंने चेंजेस देखे हैं, बी इट स्ट्रेच मार्क्स और इवन स्किन टोन. मैंने बहुत सारे चेंजेस देखे अपनी बॉडी पे. सो आई रियली एंजॉय यूजिंग इट एंड इट फील्स सो रिफ्रेशिंग आफ्टर एवरी यूज एंड इट फील्स लाइक positive charm everywhere. So I really enjoy using it. Now why I'm using this range in particular is these products have potent amount of coffee, and coffee is really good for your skin and it has some amazing benefits. To tell you guys a few benefit of coffee, first, coffee is really good to reduce puffiness, and second, coffee has a really calming effect. Third, coffee helps to tighten your skin, which helps to reduce the appearance of your cellulites. In short, coffee is really good for your skin. और अभी recently ना मैंने अपनी एक friend को recommend किया to use these products और वो इतनी खुश है और इतनी थैंकफुल है मुझे कि मैं उसको बोलती हूँ तो मुझे रोज एक बार थैंक यू बोल दिया कर. अच्छा, अभी मैंने बहुत बोल दिया. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल द प्रोसेस. Let's start the spa session. So I'm going to do all the routine on my this hand. I'm going to show you all the routine step by step. इसी हाथ पे, तो इस हाथ पे ध्यान देना. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a good body oil massaging session. Few minutes of massaging the skin with an amazing smelling oil and just de-stressing the skin. So I'm going to use M Caffeine Naked and Raw body polishing oil. Just taking a bit. एक्चुअली मैं अपने इस हाथ में करती हूँ, ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मसाज फॉर गुड 5-7 minutes. You can play your favorite music and just keep massaging. The reason why I'm massaging my skin before the exfoliation part is it enhances the exfoliation and it makes my skin so smooth. You can also apply this on your elbows or your knees because वो सारे areas में बहुत जल्दी skin dry हो जाती है. So this is really good for that. Can you guys see the glow? It's so good. You can also use this oil to highlight your body to get that bronzy, glowy look. Now next I'm going to use the M Caffeine Naked and Raw body scrub. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoonful of body scrub and then I will start scrubbing. Keep scrubbing for few minutes. Remember to be really gentle and don't overdo it. This scrub is something that I have used the most from the past few months and it has shown some amazing results. The plus point is it removes tan and enhances your skin color. I also like to do this step before shaving my body. Let me know if you guys want to see a body shaving video. So scrubbing is done. Now I'm going to quickly wash my hands with lukewarm water so that you get rid of oil nicely. The final step has to be deep moisturization, for which I'm going to use the M Caffeine Naked and Raw body lotion. And just slather it all over your skin. And trust me, after you do this, you will definitely feel like you have gotten some luxurious spa done. ऐसा लग रहा है ऊपर का कोई लेयर निकल गया पूरा डेड स्किन का, ऐसा मैं इमेजिन कर रही हूँ, बट एक्चुअली इट हैज मेड माई स्किन लाइक बटर. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 100k. So please let's hit 100k as soon as possible. Also thank you M Caffeine for sending me these lovely products. They have anyways been my favorite for years now. So if you guys going to do this spa session at home, do tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is this. I would love to see your stories. I will see you next Friday. Bye. to the steps, I'm going to quickly do the. So I have been doing this. Coffee scrub नीचे गिर गया.